Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, more on Windows 10. Let's start with hard words. Booting, it means loading of operating system in computer memory. Desktop, a main screen when you start a computer, a main screen of window, and shortcut, a link on a desktop to an item on that computer. Now, in this chapter, we will learn about taskbar, icons, live tiles, creating shortcut, and Windows 10 apps. All these things we are going to learn in this chapter. Now let's start our chapter number 4, more on Windows 10. A computer needs an operating system to operate. When we switch on a computer need operating system to operate. When we switch on a computer, it takes some time to start. This happens because the operating system of your computer is loading in its memory. It happens because operating system of our computer is loading in its memory. This process is called booting. Windows is an operating system that acts like an interface, graphical user interface between the user and hardware. Why we call it a graphical user interface? Because for everything we having pictures and button. When we start a computer, we see many small pictures on the monitor. These pictures are called icons. On the left side you can see many icons are there. So these small pictures is called icons. The windows appear on the monitor screen when we switch on a computer, and it is called desktop. जब कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट होता है this screen will appear, it is called desktop. Now let's learn about taskbar. A long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. The start button present on the left corner of the start bar. It is a start button. When we click on the start button, a list of options are displayed. When we click on the start button, a list of options, it is called start menu. When we click on the start button, the start menu will display. Search box. Next to the start button is the search box, which allow searching both computer and web. Means in Windows 10 you can search in your computer for file also, and you can search on the web on internet also. The right side of the search is task view button. Here we having task view button, which allows to create multiple desktop at the same time. The middle section of the taskbar shows the programs that are open. This area is notification area. It is on the right side of the taskbar. It includes untitled utilities like clock, network connectivity, battery, and volume button. So it is notification area. Now let's learn about icons. The small picture on the desktop are called icon. Some commonly used icon on a computer, they are described below. This PC icon. This PC helps to select the work in different drives and folders stored information inside a computer. Like in our home, we having different rooms, bedrooms or rooms to store our things. Here we having different drives. Internet Explorer, it enables us to connect and browse the internet. Using the Internet Explorer, we can use internet. Recycle bin, it is like a dustbin. It stores the deleted files and folders till they are permanently deleted. It is act like a waste paper bin, dustbin. Network, it allows us to access the shared file or devices on different computer in a networking environment. Networking means connection of many devices or computer. So there it allows to user to share files and devices. Shortcut icons, it provides the direct route to the specific application, document or folder. Using that shortcut, we can directly open that particular program or file. Now let's learn about live tiles. Windows 10 display the most popular and universal app in the form of resizable live tiles. In the right side pane of the start menu, this tiles display the latest updates such as news, weather report. You can also pin desired tile to the start menu. You can also pin your choice of tiles in a start menu. So follow this step to pin tiles to a start menu. Step number 1, click on the start button. Step number 2, right click on the app that you want to add to the start menu. Here the rectangle pictures on the right side, they are tiles. Select the option pin to start, then select the app display on the right. So you can see, using this step we can pen is formed, that app is pinned on the pen. Now let's learn resizing tiles. Tiles are available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, wide and large. Follow these steps to resize the tiles. Step number 1, right click on the tile and select the option resize. Here you can see options are there. Now select the size of your choice. Okay students, so here we are completing our today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.